Hello, this is Gary with Golden Hammer Paintless Dent Repair. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about hail damage. I have this Audi A6 here. We're going to take a look at the hood. I'm not going to go over the whole car, but we're just going to take a look at the hood and what we're going to do to it. So I'll walk you through the steps. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to circle up all the damage so we can get an accurate dent count, and that way we can create the dialed in estimate as to what we're going to do on the hood. So I'll get that all done and I'll bring you back in to show you what we find. Alright, so now we have all of our damage circled up here. This is a pretty lightly damaged hood. What we found was there's 12 nickel-sized dents. There's one dent, which is this one right here, which I have these markers. This is our largest dent, and it falls into the category of being a double oversized dent. So basically what that means, this is an oversized hail marker, and if I drop that in the dent, there's still affected metal that extends out past the edges of the marker, which kicks it into the double oversized category. And double oversized dents generally pay a little bit more than just the regular sized dents. All the other damage on this vehicle we have falling into the nickel size with our hail markers. So we have 12 nickels, one double oversized, and then there's a 25% markup because this is an aluminum panel. And we also will be taking the hood off the vehicle and mounting it to a repair stand so we can get access and good vision all the way around the panel. So we'll go ahead and take it off and get it mounted up, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so now I've got the hood off the A6 and I've got it mounted to a hood stand, as you can see. So now I can walk and I can work 360 degrees around the panel so I can access the damage. And I've also got the hood insulator here taken off the vehicle, and with that out you can see how much access I have to the back side of the panel, so I can get behind and I can push these dents out with my Paintless Dent Repair tools. So I'm going to wipe off all the circles and I'm going to start fixing these dents and bring you back when we have it all done. Alright, so here's a quick look at the tools I'm going to be using primarily to fix this damage. Most of these dents are in braced up areas, so I have to go in between the brace and the outer skin on most of them. So I have these little right and left hand tools, and I'm going to be using this whale tail. I may use a few other variations of the same tools, but these are the ones I'm going to be starting off with. I also have a hammer and a knockdown paddle and a few different knockdowns that if any high spots do arise or metal needs to get spread out, I'll be using those. So that's a quick look at the tools that are going to get me through this hood. So here's a look at the finished product. The hood is installed back on the vehicle. This is a fast, efficient repair. The best way to take care of damage like this. No paint or body filler involved. So you have your factory finish. It still has the original clear bra on it. Didn't need to take it off. And she's ready to go. Alright, that was just a brief overview basically of what happens when you do have hail damage on your vehicle and you want to get it repaired. At Golden Hammer Paintless Dent Repair, we can do either customer pay, as this car was, or we can work with any insurance company, any auto insurance company. We can basically handle the claim from the time you get a claim number until the time you pick up the vehicle. There's no need for you to be involved anywhere other than that, so it can be a fast and efficient and basically hands-off way to get your car looking great again after a hailstorm does happen. Usually hailstorm damage is a comprehensive insurance claim, so there's usually no increase to your insurance premium. So there's really no reason not to get it repaired and get the value back into your vehicle. So if you do have damage like this that you would like to have us here at Golden Hammer PDR take a look at and evaluate and hopefully handle the claim for you, you can reach us at 720-352-4270, and we look forward to helping you out. Thank you.